Hey guys, this week we are working on some very simple ways to get in touch with our inner core, our inner support system. And for this exercise, you need very little. I'm in jeans, I've got the hallway of my house, and all you really need is a yoga mat and a blanket, or just a steady surface and a blanket. Doesn't even have to be a yoga blanket. So very simply, you'll start on all fours and place your blanket on hardwood, tile, whatever it is, floors. This wouldn't really work on carpet, next to your yoga mat. And all you'll do is place one knee on this moving blanket and one knee on the stable surface. Setting up like cat-cow, inhale, slide the knee out. And as you exhale, use your adductor muscles, your inner thighs, to draw up and in. Inhale, slide out. Exhale, feel your lower belly also engage as you draw up and in. And you can do this about 10 times on each side to understand how your inner thighs are working along with your low belly with every single breath to engage. Once you've felt that sufficiently, you can even take it further. So if your body's ready, you come into a plank position with your toes on that blanket. Inhale, come out. Exhale, use those inner thighs, low belly, draw in. And you might even see how my bum is lifting lightly and getting slightly more buoyant when I draw in. You guys know that I love nice high bums in plank pose. Inhale out, exhale in. And I've done this 3 times in each position, and I'm pretty sufficiently shaking. It's truly a way to get deeply engaged with those muscles that are often ignored. Try it. Enjoy. Namaste.